Jack Dorsey says and believes that Bitcoin is going to be the world currency in the next 10 years. He also said before that he maxes out the amount of Bitcoin that he can buy every single day on Cash App.
Why you need to invest in Bitcoins? In this video, I'm going to show you reasons why you should invest in Bitcoins. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'm waiting. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Money, I want more money.
Good, thank you for subscribing. Basically, a few months ago, I released a video that showed you how much was Bitcoin at the time. It was just like about 4 months ago. Oh my God, one Bitcoin is valued $9,000. And right now, Bitcoin is almost $20,000.
A few moments later.
Now, I know you may say, okay, I passed this opportunity. Yes, you did, guys. Now, this is another opportunity that you have to invest in Bitcoin. At the time, I was creating a lot of videos to show you some few techniques and ways without money, or to invest without money, just your time and using some bots. But right now, some bots are not really working, and there are just some few bots that are working. And today I'm going to show you reasons why you should invest, even if you can just invest $10 or maybe 20 or even $100 if you have $100, and build your crypto investment just like that. And then, as you know already, you know that Bitcoin is a new money, is a new age. We're in the new age. Everything now is basically digital, right? So Bitcoin investment is easy, very easy. You can even open your account on Coinbase and start managing today. You can buy there with your credit cards or even your PayPal account. You buy your cryptos. Of course, you need to diversify. You're not just buying all in Bitcoin. You can diversify with, let's say, Ethereum, let's say Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin, and many others. But before you do that, you need to research to know which one will have the potential to increase. You need to make sure that you know, you understand a little bit more about this crypto, about this currency, so that you can invest. Do not invest in currencies that you do not understand. And the second thing is that you need to understand is that it's very easy. You don't need any third parties apps to manage or to send money in different accounts. Imagine if you have money in your account, in your bank account right now, and you want to send money to, let's say, to another country. The process is very, very slow, so to say, because the bank, they need to send another confirmation to another bank. It's like there is a lot of people in between. Now with Bitcoin is peer-to-peer. It means that the process doesn't require any middleman. The process is directly me and you. If I send money to you, you receive the money. And if the other person sends the money to me, I receive the money. There is nobody in between to process any fees or anything in between. And of course, one of the things that many people are doing or are investing in Bitcoin also is that there is no government, so to say, there is no government support. Means that really there is nobody in control of Bitcoin. Let's say if for instance, dollar, there is the Federal Commission, which is the department that is controlling everything that goes out. Right, every month they are producing money. If they say, okay, we don't want to produce any more money, they can block everything, and a lot of people may suffer. But with Bitcoin, there is nothing like that. There is a supply, maximum supply.
Show me the money.
And there is a demand. The demand is that people buying Bitcoin. But there is no regulation in between. That's what I want to say. So that's why it's very important to invest in Bitcoin, because there is no regulation in between, and you can invest any money, anything that you want, and you can have a lot, and the price just goes up almost every single day. And this is one of the last reasons why you should invest in Bitcoin, because there is no other investment like Bitcoin right now. Because Bitcoin within, let's say, 10 years or even less than 10 years, grew more than 1,000%. There is no other investment like that. Any type of investment that you will see, like for instance real estate and other type of investments, or even stock market, you will never see a company growing like that. I mean, it's very, very rare. So there is nothing like that really in the investment space. So that's very important for you guys to buy a little bit of Bitcoin, even just with 10 euros or $10, wherever you are. I don't know, because I'm in Europe, so you can even buy with 10 euros or $10 and start investing right now. So this is just a video that I wanted to show you some cases or something that I think that most people, they don't really understand a little bit. But if you want me to let you know more about, just type in the comments, or you can really start with investing in Bitcoin. So wow. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell, and peace out.